People smiling. So I should have vlogged a long time ago, but I didn't. Feel good, good. I sing. Alfie, sing with me. Alfie. Alfie. Hi. Sing with me. Sing. Say, come on along. I know you really want to think. We're making breakfast. Well, Shanice is making breakfast.
You know what? I don't know why you're
You'll see. This is our spread. Awesome. We got so lot to bring. We got some. I organized that spread. You know what I'm saying? That was my vision. We're almost done. Listening to Jason Mraz. Tim's in the back. What up? What up?
I do love it.
Hey.
Yes, exactly. She is very nice.
I like to share my things. I switched up the soundtrack a little bit. But yes, we danced. And thank you, Julia, for letting us do this in your home.
Oh my god, you're welcome. Anytime. Come to my house and cook and watch the news anytime.
Right?
Will do.
I should have taped last night. We went out to an arcade, to a pizza spot, and we went somewhere else. Oh, we walked around Hamilton.
Beside him so he doesn't look like racist right now. All right.
Shanice, the hair flip though.
Ooh.
Shanice.
Tim, stop.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, I didn't get a picture though. That was all a video.
See, guys.
Tim gets it.
What?
I hate you. Are you recording me?
And we did something else. I can't remember. But anyways, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's right. Cafe, vintage. I wish I got the sound of the the door.
Yup.
I'll put it in. The sound of the door is the sound of my life track. My soundtrack of my life right now. Yeah.
In shambles.
Hookah, 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 hookah. It's been costing us so much. Split apart, getting harder to tell what you want. I'm so bored with these games. Games. Bum, bum. Games. Whoa!
My favorite part is in the second verse. And another one.
Another one, and then another one.
Who wrote that for you?
Right?
Who are you? Treats. Oh, Tony made this art. The woman.
This one?
Yeah. Years ago. How old were you when you made that? Probably around like.
It's like literally glowing right now on my camera.
But yeah.
On this end. Okay, so she finished. I'm just gonna wait for her to.
It just.
Oh, that's nice. Give me that. I don't know what's wrong with my
Oh, I was
camera.
gonna.
So we're heading back now to I'm vlogging. We're heading back now to Toronto Ways,
Obsessed.
Brampton. And we just got, what is this?
Frappes.
Yeah, it's not an ad, obviously. Like, who am I? You can see how many people watch this. Yeah, okay, yeah, so yeah, we're heading back. It was really fun. Julia's was honestly awesome. Thank you, Julia, for having us. I know I said it already, but like, really, for letting us into your space. Hamilton isn't a boring place. If you
No, it really isn't.
go around, there's
freaking fun things.
a lot of fun things to do. It's a university town, so university towns are usually hype. No Drake. So, yeah, this is really good.
Yeah, better than Tim Hortons.
It tastes
really is.
realer than Tim Hortons, like more real. But I guess I'll have to do I'll test it out. It might be better than Tim Hortons, but we'll see. As a Canadian, I feel like I need to stand by Timmy's.
No, you really don't. But
As a Canadian in Hamilton, where it all started, I feel like I need to stand by Timmy's.
okay, yeah, that's fair.
Like, okay, patriot. patriotism takes over.
I feel like I should just turn. There's no one coming.
Yeah, but it's not legal.
Because there's no cameras.
Yes, when there's no cameras, children, do whatever you want to do.
Really, do it.
That's the lesson today. Well, anyway, gonna drive now and just
Oh, this is amazing.
stare at.
Okay, that's it. This is part of my favorite.
Fucking hell. Oh, it you know. Yeah. I cannot wait to see you in concert in September. Easy. So who remembers this song, baby? Yeah, I don't know what to say after that. Cause Shanice loves it. Black Panther is the highest grossing superhero movie of all time. This sucks. So we made it back to Brampton. Brampton thing from Time G. My sister is having a little dinner for her husband. It's his birthday, or it was his birthday, I don't really know. So yeah, she's just coming here to change, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna change when I get there, because right now I'm just wearing my pajamas. So she's up there somewhere. Hurry up, woman. Lego. Put my Uggs on. They were hating on my Uggs earlier.
As we should.
Because
it's just disrespectful.
they hate Uggs.
No, just this.
I like my Uggs and they keep me warm. We're playing cards. I just won cheat, even though Shanice technically won twice.
I did.
So, and they're here. We're gonna get back to Crazy Eights, and I'm gonna kick their butt in Crazy Eights. No, you're not. No, you're not. She's not. Okay. Okay, so here's how it's currently going. Shanice is losing. Shayna's in first place. She's only one below me. I'm on 4 right now, and she's on 3. She's on 5, right? Okay.
You can't go?
No. Okay.
Did you pick up?
Okay, she already picked up.
Are you friggin' kidding me? I'm hoping you'll have a 2 in there, so she has to pick up 8.
Yo, is this still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, Sadie done don't say I got the move, so
These are my cards.
you're so weird.
2. Okay, so Shayna's on 2.
Yo, bye.
Shanice is on 4, 5, 6. And I'm on 1. Okay, and Shayna just put down the ace of spades. Boom! I won! Yes! Who's the queen of Crazy 8 Countdown?
I was beating you though.
Who's the queen of Crazy 8 Countdown? Okay, but I won.
No.
But I won though. How did I cheat? You're the one who's dropping down. You're the one who's like, no, I said last card. And we caught you twice cheating. So, nice it because we caught you twice cheating. Nice. A lie? Did we catch her twice cheating?
No.
Shanice is mad. She's mad because I made her pick up their cards.
You know why I'm mad? Because the reason for my downfall is actually you.
I'm sorry.
Don't talk to me.
Fine, we'll go the other way.
Don't talk to me.
We'll go the other way.
Talk to me. Period. You're not friends.
Winner!
We're playing that
Winner! Apparently we're playing again because she thinks she's gonna win.
I'm gonna win. Are you dumb?
Okay.
Why?
She thinks she's gonna win.
Are you
Shanice, we'll go the reverse way this time so that you can get me back first.
Because we're not friends in this situation at all. Bye. This is vengeance, okay? Vengeance.
Exactly.
rounds. No friendship in this game.
No friend zone, alive?
iPhone's out.
No.
iPhone's assembled.
They're all up for real.
Oh, that's nice. It ain't stuff, you know? That's nice, yo. How did you know?
How did I know? Because I'm married to you.
32.
32.
I'm like so close to like these guys right now.
Yeah, I married younger.
So not gonna dim it a little bit?
Oh yeah, hit the lights there.
Damn it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, who's harmonizing?
Me.
Who was that?
Hey. We're starting again. This time.
You already don't know say I'm winning this round.
Okay.
On a real note, take on
Whatever.
over here.
I'm so upset. I had a blessed hand,
Nah.
and Shayna went and met.
Jasmine, go.
Go. I have. Oh, you're so lucky. I'm on my last card still. Home. So, I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to bed. I was going to retwist this, but I don't even have the energy at this point in my life. So, I'm not even gonna bother with that. Outfit of the day, you know what I'm saying? Just a simple little white tee and some jeans, you know. Hopefully the holes in these jeans won't grow as big as the... I need to put a picture of these other pair of jeans that were like my favorite pair that started out like this, and then I'll show you what they became. It's actually very crazy. Hopefully you had fun watching me school my cousins in Crazy 8s. Don't try to beat me in Crazy 8s. I will win every time. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna take my crazy hair to bed now. I'll probably watch The Office, but yes.